Let me see if I got one. All right. What's that? All right, my friends. I have some nice action. I have some job. That's a good job, right? It's nasty. It's nasty job. Here I got a bottle here. Okay, I'm gonna stick it in this bag here. I got this bottle of vampire blood soda. I'm gonna stick it in there. Okay. Okay. Hocus pocus. Frankenstein, Dracula, and Son of Ghoul. Okay, now, Frankenstein, Dracula, and Creature from the Black Lagoon. Okay. I got my banana in here. I'm sick. Somebody stole my banana. I want to get some of that cake out here. So, I got this roll. See, I got this roll by the way. I'm trying to make it stand still. You know, like Batman when he's climbing out the rope? He said, the rope is stay straight. He said it in that Indian language, and Robin says, what is that? He says, it means rope, stay straight. Anyway, he's trying to get away from the river. Okay. I need some kid to come up here. What? Oh yeah, come up here. Joe Kolakowski's rabbi's son. How you doing? So I'm gonna do this real quick for you. I gotta get out of. See, like I said, I just got this in the mail, and it's supposed to work. I got this magic wand, and I got this empty cup here, see? Okay, you're gonna help me out, buddy. What's your name? Monster Kid? Okay. Huh? Abraham. Oh, Abraham. Monster Kid. Okay. There's a seed. It's supposed to grow a flower. It's supposed to. Or grow a monster, maybe, like in the outer limits. If you guys saw that one, where the plant was on board and goes out of limits, the plant grew and grow and turn into a monster, maybe we'll do it. Okay. No. He's doing magic now. Okay, we're going to try and make it grow, okay.
Wow. Take that.
survived the flood. It's okay, I got a joke to tell you. You know, the joke on Batman. He who laughs last, that's good. Okay, anyway, and, so that's a joker card. Just stick it in there. And it's okay, better not working. Magic, but it is entertaining.
Say the magic word, David.
Oh yeah, like Sonic Boom. When I say Sonic Boom, stuff works. So, Zachary, Dr. Shocker, and Boom. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna stick this pencil through this glass. See, it's solid. See, it's all solid. Now I'm gonna stick this pencil through it here. Okay.
Oh.
Okay. It's supposed to turn solid again. So let's see, there's no hole in it. But you know, I was in a hurry. Well, this one I made, sister I made when I was like 8 years old. My mom actually made a food bag for me, and I drew a little picture of a rabbit on here, and a top hat guard that got messed up in the flood. But you know, it's supposed to be an empty bag. It's supposed to work. So there you go. See, it's empty. And my mom made this for me when I was like 8 years old. I don't want to be another Houdini. I saw a 20-person Houdini. I said, Mom, I want to do that. So she got me a Houdini magic set cardboard tricks. She made a cake. They bought magic tricks. So, you know, how to be another Houdini like Tony. I met Tony Person in 2008. And I tagged him with my dad. I tagged him. His wife took a picture, it's back like 2008, right before he died. But a year before that, and he's going 7 scared. And he comes and says to me, he says, hey, if you ever meet that guy Rock, tell him I'm ready to read his movie. So I'm glad I met you. And I gave him my flyer for that one. Anyway, this is empty, right? Okay. Okay, he has to say vegetables, Frankenstein, King Kong, and Godzilla. Oh, there's one. Here's another one. Here's another one.
Ooh.
Okay, it's empty again. Okay. Oh yeah. Okay. Let's see, what trick do I got next? Oh, okay. Okay, hocus pocus. Hocus pocus, dominocus. There's a dragon, okay. Okay, is this box, that's empty, right? See that, it's empty. There's nothing in there, right? Okay. Frankenstein's daughter, okay. Here you go. And, who else? Donald Werewolf. Okay. And Devil Lamp. Okay, let's say Devil Lamp. Here's another thing. Okay. They're trying to get it out. Oh, you the green one like Frankenstein. That's one I got from Frank's Door. Oh, this one I got from Liberace. Come out there and give us, the right thing. He's a nice guy. Okay, it's up to you. Oh, wait a minute. There's something in there. There's something in there. Wait a minute. Oh, it's an egg. It's a hard-boiled egg. Okay, wait, there's something else in here. Oh, it's a dumpling. Yeah, that's right. There's something else I wanted to show you. Okay, let's see. What have I got in my pocket? Let's see. Oh, there's a light in here. Okay. There's this light.
Oh.
I'm a lady. I'm gonna make it disappear now. I'm gonna stick it in there. Okay, stick it in my hand. I'm gonna give it back to Liberace. One more trick for you. One more trick. I don't know what that letter means. That magistrate says he doesn't know what. I should put a picture of Frankenstein on there, but I didn't have time. Okay, I got this glass of sugar here, see? Glass of sugar. Now, I like sugar in my coffee, but, I want to make some candy. So, okay. Okay. We got to say the magic words now. Hold on a second. It's supposed to work. Supposed to work. Okay. Hocus pocus. I guess that's it. I gotta make some money today. I gotta make some money today. So see, nothing in my hand. Oh, there's a 10. I'm paying myself, so nobody else is paying me. I might as well pay myself. Nothing in my hand. There's a
Wanting stinking butts.
I'm gonna give you people a real big tip. Let's see. Where's my waitress? Who's my waitress? That must be you, right? Weren't you my waitress at that diner? Okay, here, see this dime here? I'm gonna give you this dime. There you go. Okay, look, it's in my ear. Oh, now you probably don't want to know where both of you are. Wait a minute. This is gotta be like my first show ever. Okay. Oh, see the perfume. So hold on, Brian. Hold it. Okay. Oh, okay. Now it's in my ear. Okay, what about that was for my washing. I guess that's it, man. Yeah, sorry. One of my big friends. Neil Collins or Alabama Manroll. He's in 56 episodes of Matlock. That's what Matlock was. Yeah.
where's Neil Collins?
Oh, you come to, there he is, yeah, he's our fellow Larry Buchanan monster movie fan. Okay, and then there's, the big man saying, there's Wando. Okay, oh, I finished my movie, Bear Man, on DVD. And I'll put those videos up on YouTube, I want to see my magic tricks.
You have a key?
Yeah.